Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a T-Mobile Kids watch and want to add trusted contacts to stay connected safely, the setup process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes parents are unsure where to manage approved numbers, while other times the watch seems ready but contacts never appear correctly. Since a T-Mobile Kids watch often uses parent controls and app settings to manage communication, learning the right setup process can make everything feel much smoother. The best part is that once contacts are added correctly, the T-Mobile Kids watch becomes much more useful for staying in touch. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to add contacts to a T-Mobile Kids watch. Try these. Step 1. Open the app connected to the T-Mobile Kids watch before adding any contacts. Step 2. Sign into the account linked with the T-Mobile Kids watch carefully. Step 3. Find contact or approved number settings for the T-Mobile Kids watch inside the app. Step 4. Add names and phone numbers connected to the T-Mobile Kids. Watch one at a time. Step 5. Save contact changes and sync the T-Mobile Kids watch if updates do not appear instantly. Step 6. Check the T-Mobile Kids watch again and confirm new contacts show up normally.